you beautiful people, how's it going? I hope you're all doing really, really well. This is an unboxing that I was not prepared for. I've not opened it yet. I was not prepared for the scale of this unboxing. About a week ago I had an email saying this company called June Mermaid's Trove messaged me saying, I've recently come across your channel and I think you are adorable. I wanted to send you a box that I've just launched. It's a Hocus Pocus inspired and it's called the Lost Sanderson Sister box. And I was just like, oh well, I absolutely love Hocus Pocus. That's really lovely of you, thank you so much. And they sent me a link to their page and it's junemermaidstrove.com. The Lost Sanderson Sister box. It's a quarterly box and it is, in America it's $88 plus shipping, and it has 13 items. And she just said, if you're interested, send me your address and I'll send it out to you. And I said, it looks incredible, like there's nothing, it doesn't give anything away on the website, and it converts it to the UK because they ship to the UK, and it's £66 plus shipping. And I said, well, I'm in the UK, I'm not entirely sure how relevant it would be just because of the cost of shipping. And she said, being in the UK is not an issue, I just wanted to send it to you because I think you really like it. So this is more for my American subscribers, I feel, because the shipping in the States is completely normal shipping costs. And yeah, I'm just very excited. I think you'll understand why I'm so excited when I show you. I can't even, like, can you? It's like 4 foot long. I'm so intrigued. And I'm trying to hide my address, but there's a sticker on the front with the Sanderson sisters on it, and it says, why was I cursed with such idiots, with such idiot sisters? And I'm so excited. So we're going to get into it. I'm going to move my phone and we're going to just crack this bitch open, because I honestly do not have a clue what can be in here for this size. 13 items, Hocus Pocus inspired, the Lost Sanderson Sisters box. So let's get in it. This is one of my most exciting things I've ever been sent. Right, okay, so I'm going to just quickly show you the box. So it's black tissue. You can see it's on my bed, it's just black tissue. I'm trying to get it so you guys can actually see as I open it. Oh, okay, I'm just going to grab, right, I found a scroll that has a ring on it. Oh my god, it's a witch's hat and a broom on a ring. Oh, look at that. I've got it on upside down. Look, can you see? It's a witch's hat and then the other side of it is a broom. So the Lost Sanderson Sister. Growing up, Hocus Pocus was a huge love of mine, and it still is. It has inspired me in so many ways. I thought it would be fun to create the box inspired by it, and so the journey began. Oh my god, I'm so excited! As you may know, I have a little experience with mystery boxes, and I have learned over time what it is that I look forward to in a box. Since the last couple of years have been far too serious and lacking in joy, I wanted to create a light-hearted box that would resonate with the child within. I truly hope you love the items, had fun with them, and use them in whichever way you feel called to. After all, it's just a bunch of Hocus Pocus. Oh my god, I've got like goosebumps. I've like genuinely got goosebumps. I'm so excited. Oh my god, I'm all emotional. Okay, so I don't even know what to get first. I've got a box here. I've literally got tears brought to my eyes. I'm so excited. It's like, Hocus Pocus was just such a massive part of like growing up. I just love it so much. My little girls watched it with me recently. They're 6 and 7 and they absolutely loved it. So, oh, it's a cauldron oil burner is the first thing I've got. Oh, it's really heavy. That is so cute. Let me pop that on there. I'm just going to get the little scroll because I want to see. So, we've got where are you? A cauldron tea light burner. This adorable warmer has a bubbling cauldron design. You can use it to melt wax or warm an oil, and I've included a couple of tea lights and wax sensor for you to melt. That's amazing. Okay, I've got how everything is packaged as well. This isn't like a little satin purse. This feels so magical, like proper. Oh my god. What are you? Oh my goodness. We've got cobwebs and stripes. Let's have a look and see what you are. Witchy socks and cobweb gloves. To me, these green and black knee-high socks are quintessentially witchy, as are the cobweb gloves. You can wear them with your cloak. Oh my god, there's a cloak. Or to warm your arms this autumn. The socks can be a fun little secret under clothing or to be worn proudly. So these are like arm gloves with your hands out. Oh my goodness. I'm going to get them out in a minute. I'm so excited. This is a cloak. Oh my god, is this a cloak? I can't get into it quick enough. I'm too excited. I need to get the little... A witch's cloak. You will receive one of 3 different colours: wine red, forest green and black with a blue lining. I wanted to be size inclusive, so I ordered these in an XL to hope they fit more people. It's far easier to make something smaller than it is bigger. Does anything feel witchier than wearing a cloak? Oh my god. Oh. Wait there. I think it's gonna hurt. Oh my goodness. Like, this is incredible. It is a full floor length cloak. I'm gonna, after I finish filming, I'm not sure why I'm this close. I'm just very excited. And after I finish filming, I will put it on properly and I'll take a picture from a distance so you can see what it's like in its full glory. Right. I need you to just calm down slightly, and I need to remove it because it's got a satin lining, so it's making me fall off my bed. My little girls are going to be so jealous. So jealous. Okay. I've got a little... Oh, this smells amazing. I think this might be... So we've got some tea lights, and we've got... oh my goodness. Some wax melts. Green apple caramel candy corn marshmallow. Wow. So we've got 2 wax melts and some tea lights. I'm trying not to miss anything. A little... This feels breakable. Witch's Salt. Oh my god, banish the bullshit and protect your space. Fuck yes. Can you... oh my goodness. That is beautiful. Let's have a little read about that. Witch's Salt. This 4-ounce jar is my own version of a witch's salt. It contains an organic ingredient, black Hawaiian sea salt, rue, mugwort, essential oils of cinnamon, rosemary, clove, orange and eucalyptus. There's a smoky quartz point to protect you from negativity and ground your space. This blend is great for using around your property line for protection and banishment. You can also use it on candles, working on the altar and whatever else you feel called to. Oh my god, that is so pretty. I'm very, very excited for that. It smells amazing. This whole thing smells amazing. I'm really not too bad. Oh, it's fucking pretty. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. That is absolutely beautiful. And then it's got you've got like the witch's ladder, the key and some oil. Oh my goodness. That is absolutely stunning. I need to read what it says. And a besom, which I assume is the broom. There are 39 give or take herbs from my dad's garden and my garden. They're the following charms in varying shades: a life potion bottle, skeleton key, moon, sun, feather for flight. Herbs on it is Russian sage, represents power, success, safety during travel and strong character. Yerba buena, related to the element air, which is in a ritual to use cleanse, purify and balance. Lavender for protection and purification. Lavender is said to have strong spiritual properties and high vibrations that can help to bridge the pathways in communicating with angels and the higher self. White sage is a herb for purification. Rosemary, the clear quartz of herbs for cleansing, purifying and protection from negativity. Got Happy Halloween, the magic broom closet. There's Binksy Cat. Come, we fly. Oh my goodness, it's stickers. We've got a scrying mirror shadow card, and then there is lots and lots of Hocus Pocus themed stickers. Wow, that is so cute. Let me have a look. Broom closet sign. This adorable sign can be hung wherever you please to decorate for Samhain or year round. I have another bag. A witch's hat for your altar. I love that. A witch's hat. Oh, it's obsidian. I could not resist including this carved obsidian stone in the shape of a witch's hat. Obsidian is a strongly protective stone. It forms a shield against negativity. It blocks psychic attacks and absorbs negative energies from the environment. I carry obsidian with me in my handbag all the time. I can't believe how much is in here. I found something else. A little bag. Oh my goodness. It's this book from Hocus Pocus on a necklace. I bought my own one. I absolutely love it. Okay, right, let me just read through to make sure I've not missed anything, because I don't want to miss anything. So we've got the Witch's Cloak, the Tea Light Burner, the Pumpkin and the Leaf Wax, Come Fly envelope, which contains the Witch's Wisdom Oracle card, and 12 fun witchy stickers. Witch's Salt, we've got that. Book of Shadows necklace, Witch's Hat Obsidian, Flying Cat pin. Haven't found that. Oh my goodness, the only thing I haven't found is the Flying Cat pin. Or is that what this? That's not a pin, that's the scroll. Let me have a look and see if I can find a pin. I don't want to have like thrown it in there. Aha, I found another little bag. And it's Binksy. Oh my god, it's so cute. I have actually just got kittens and I've named one of them Binks. Oh, that is super cute. Look at that. I am absolutely and utterly blown away by that box. Like, that is incredible. One of the nicest boxes I've ever had, ever. And I have been doing this a long time. And the fact that this was sent just for my enjoyment is just, it shows that the world is not always full of shit people. Some people are genuinely lovely, and yeah, I think that is amazing. Let me know what you guys think. I will leave all the links down below. It's still available on the website. As I said, you can get it shipped to the UK. Shipping is a lot, but if you're in the States, like, and you love witchy stuff and you love Hocus Pocus, you got to get this, because that is incredible. And I think the shipping in the States is like, it's like $11 or $12 or something like that. It's super, super cheap. Yeah, let me know your thoughts. I would love to know what you think about this. Thank you so much for sending me it. It is amazing, and it is just, it has made a crap week into an absolutely wonderful one. So I hope you can see how happy I am with this. Yeah, thanks so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.